Hi guys, it's Bethany. Today I have an unboxing for you of a light pad. There are a lot of light pads out there. This one was sent to me from a seller on Amazon called Elise. I hope that I'm saying that name correctly. It is a black vinyl battery powered A3 rechargeable light pad. The dimensions on this are 13.5 inches by 16.7 inches with a light pad space of 11.9 inches by 15.2 inches. The thickness is 0.47 inches. It has 3 color modes, a stepless dimmable, and 6 levels of brightness. It has 6 different tilt angles. It is adjustable. And I'm really excited to have a look at this and get into it and see what it looks like and how it works. So it came in this box inside of another box, so it was shipped really well. We have a power cord. It looks like a C-type cord. All right. Comes protected in this covering. If I can figure out where it opens up. All right. That is the light pad. It's nice and big. These are the product instructions. LED light pad is also called tracking writing board. Copy and cartoon, animation, production of professional tools. It is mainly composed of acrylic and LED lights. It's used to copy paper and artwork overlap and can very clearly see the bottom figure in the history of painting and copy or modify onto a piece of paper. Animators can use to draw action. Of course, I will be using it for my diamond painting. It has the specifications. Easy operation. You place the copy table on a flat table and connect to a power source. Long press the switch to adjust the brightness and tap the switch slightly to select the color temperature. They have a white light, a warm light, and a yellow light. And then you can put the artwork on fixed area, add copy paper, fix, start sketching. There's some other things to note. This has a protective cover on the top. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Pardon the noise. It looks like it has a magnetic clip at the top, so if you're putting paper there to trace, it will make it nice and handy so it doesn't slip around. For example, let's clip this on there. Yep, stays nice and tight. Now, on the back, it has this stand. If I can figure out how it works, it looks like this pops up. Yep. Okay, and when you pop it up, you can set it there, 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 or there to have it at an angle. So that's really nice. I like the idea of this because I usually diamond paint on a bed tray table, and I can set this on the table and still have a flat surface for setting my diamond painting trays or other things. This is really, really nice. On the sides, it has some measurement guides. So here is the power button. It looks like it's already charged, which is so cool, you guys. This doesn't have to be plugged in to use, which I also really like, because one of the reasons I don't usually use a light pad is because it's not very convenient for me to have it plugged in. Usually the plug-in cords for light pads are pretty short, and this is nice because I can diamond paint without having that extra cord in the way. So if I just press it again, it goes to the warm light, off, and then the yellow light, white light, warm light, yellow light. Although I'm not seeing a lot of difference between the regular light and the yellow light, but that's okay. It also, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, if you press and hold this button, it'll go lighter or darker. And it does that for each of the steps, each of the different colors. So that's super cool. So if it's a little too bright, you can make it less bright. If you need it brighter, you can make it more bright. How awesome is that? I love it. Okay, so like I said, if you want to have it just flat, you just snap those closed. Easy, super easy, and it lays flat. It's not completely flat because it is a little bit thicker than some of the other light pads that I've seen, but it is pretty flat. Just gonna check in the box again because on the website it does show a USB plug, not the cord, the plug, and I don't see that in here. I don't know if that's supposed to be included or not, but I have a few of those laying around, so I'm not very concerned about that part of it. The price of this is $49.99, and I will link the item down below if you guys are interested in checking this out from the company Elise US on Amazon. So that's what I have to show you guys today. I'm gonna go try this out. I'm really eager to use this product, and like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm really gonna like it. This is one of the nicest light pads that I have seen. So if you're interested in it, I definitely recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.